Hey there, savvy marketers and side hustlers. Today, I'm diving into something that's buzzing in the world of affiliate marketing, Cbninja. Now, if you've ever dreamed of earning passive income online, you might want to lend me your ears for the next couple of minutes. So what's Cbninja? It's a groundbreaking tool that's shaking up the affiliate marketing landscape. Imagine this, an AI-powered platform that creates fully automated affiliate sites for you. Yes, you heard that right, fully automated. These aren't just any sites, they're tailored for ClickBank, one of the giants in affiliate networks. Now, why is this a big deal? For starters, setting up affiliate sites used to be a chore. You'd need to know a bit about web design, content creation, SEO, the list goes on. But Cbninja claims to handle all of that. It churns out fresh SEO-optimized content that's ready to attract traffic and, in turn, commissions. All at a one-time fee. That sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the kicker. It's not just about setting up a site. The real value lies in how it maintains the site with fresh content. Keeping content updated is crucial for ranking on search engines and keeping your audience engaged. Cbninja does this automatically, pulling in traffic while you focus on, well, whatever you want. Now, I'm not saying this is a magic bullet. Like any tool, its success largely depends on how you use it. But for beginners or those who are time poor, it's certainly an appealing option. It promises to lower the barrier to entry for making money with affiliate marketing. And there's some reassurance too. Cbninja comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's an opportunity to test the waters without risking too much up front. In conclusion, if you're looking to break into affiliate marketing or streamline your existing efforts, Cbninja might just be worth a look. It's all about working smarter, not harder, right? And who doesn't want a slice of that passive income pie without the extra hassle? That's all for today. If you found this info useful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into tools that can turbocharge your online earnings. Until next time, keep hustling smart.